Good morning, guys. Little Mr. Joshua today woke up with a 99.9 degree fever, temperature, whatever. I called the doctor and they said they don't really consider it a fever unless it's 100.4. But since he is so little, they had me speak with a nurse and they basically recommended holding him upright as much as I can and putting him in like the bathroom with the hot water running to kind of like mystify the air for like 20 minutes to a half hour. They also said not to have like tight clothes on him, so I put like this nice big outfit on him. What else did the doctor say? Timmy, do you remember what the doctor said?
I think the doctor said.
Well, Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said?
What did the doctor say?
He doesn't get it. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, she said to get the like nasal spray because I was telling her how like he has a stuffy nose and it's been stuffy for a while. But like there's no boogers, like there's no snot coming out. So she said to get a nasal spray and do that and then use like the suction thingy. You wanna say hi to everybody? I'm like, hey, say hi to everybody. Yeah. Hi. Cheeks. I have a picture of me and Timmy when he was a baby and we were like this, smushing his cheeks. Otherwise, I've been having Timmy and Kaya kind of like play around inside the house. It's been raining and pouring all day, huh buddy? Has it been raining?
I'm making dots.
I like your polka dots. Timmy's doing his markers and Kaya is not allowed to do markers because she gets it everywhere. She doesn't understand the whole keep it on the paper thing. But let's check out Timmy's drawing. Let's see your drawing.
I don't do this here, but sometimes I do.
You're doing a really good job.
See?
You want to show everybody your picture?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to hold it up?
Hold these up.
No, hold up your picture.
Then I have to hold these up.
Oh, okay.
I don't get some.
Yeah, so you don't get them on the table. Wow. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, so this is probably a combination day vlog for you because not a whole ton happened yesterday. Since Joshua was a little bit under the weather, you probably already know because if it's the same vlog, then I already told you about it. But I'm gonna bring him to Wegmans and get him some saline spray for his nose. And, whoa, dude. And then we're gonna go pick up Timmy because he's at preschool. All right, I just picked up Timmy and he is being goofy beyond goofy. All right. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. What if I tickle you here? Do you want to sing him a song that you sang at school today?
Pete the cat.
You sang Pete the Cat? Which one? Did you sing School Shoes? I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Or did you sing, what's the other Pete the Cat song?
Going on to the beach.
Which one?
Going on to the beach to do the beach. They have two Pete the Cat songs.
Two Pete the Cat songs. Can you guys hear the wind because it is really windy?
They said yes.
They said yes? You guys said yes, you could hear the wind. Timmy almost blew away. Did you almost blow away? I had to run and get him. I had to like catch him from the wind. It was gonna carry him away and fly him to the clouds. Ah! Should we go eat your peanut butter and jelly?
The window boat is far away.
No.
Why?
It's not. Our car is a lot bigger. All right. Okay, we are having a horrible windstorm. I heard that that the wind was gonna get worse around noon, but it's like it's like 3 o'clock right now and there's trees blowing over. Tim just sent me a picture of a pine tree like down in the middle of the road. I'm gonna show you another tree that's down. but I'm gonna try and be quiet because the kids are upstairs sleeping and I have to go like to the other side of the house where they will be able to hear me. Hang on. Okay, well, that is our slide that's blown way out. I'm gonna try and zoom in on this tree and look at that. That tree is huge and it just knocked over. Oh my gosh. It's hard to hold the camera steady like this. Our power went out. We just lost power a little bit ago. Tim said that the generators kicked on at work and I'm like, dude, go unplug the generator so you can come home. I mean, come on. People losing power around here, just let them go home. Oh man, and like, okay, so you know how we live right behind a huge construction site? Well, all the construction workers are like running all over the place collecting things that are blowing away. This is probably like the worst windstorm that I've seen. Watch this tree. It's like, I mean, it's not, I don't think it's going anywhere, but you can see it's kind of a little bit lopsided. This guy out here is collecting drywall. This is bad.
Dada!
What? What is going on in here? Oh my goodness. Hey, just because the power's out doesn't mean you can jump on the table. Okay, get down. We got our flashlight going over there. We have no electricity. I got Joshua here. And Daddy, where'd he go? Well, he's outside chopping wood. All right, hold on. All right, guys, update on the windstorm situation. We are out of power still. It is about maybe 6:30. I have no idea. Tim is still collecting some wood outside. There's trees down. Not in our direct yard. Kaya's kind of playing with a flashlight right now. I don't know, that's pretty much it. They're just...
Alright. I got fire for all night.
You think you got it for all night?
Yeah, I got enough wood for all night. And then some.
That's awesome. It's toasty in here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm gonna go get the plate thing.
Hey. A power outage is only so good to vlog when you know where the camera is. It just took me like 3 minutes to find where I put the camera last. But all right, so you're making...
I'm making nachos on the fire.
Nachos on the fire.
Fireplace nachos.
Fireplace nachos, and I am making hot chocolate on the stove. The stove in which Tim lit with, would you use a lighter? Yeah. I think he used the lighter.
Jimmy, 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 Jimmy.
Oh my goodness. I think she got excited.
Yeah,
Kaya and Timmy made up this game all on their own. She's just tickling. She's poking and tickling. Timmy, 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 Timmy. I actually think the lighting looks cool. It's probably going to be hard to see on the actual vlog.
You have it adjusted?
Yeah, I do. But it looks like almost red, kind of. Alright, so it's 10:30. And we still don't have power. I just found out that there's over 150,000 people in the Rochester area that don't have power. Like, all the schools are closed. Oh, wiggle that computer for some light. All the schools are closed. There's trees in the middle of the road.
It's pretty bad out there.
Traffic
the wind's
lights.
totally died down now though, and it's calm.
Yeah.
Which is nice, but we got candles going all over the house. The
It's
fire's
kind of
going.
scary because, like, That's so blurry right now. Why is it not even focusing? This isn't even a tornado. Like, could you imagine if there was... This is just like a little windstorm. I feel like...
Yeah.
My hair. I feel like we're all freaking out.
Well, the max gust today was
80 something.
81, I think. The max gust was 81.
You know how, like, if it snows in Texas, the whole state shuts down?
Yeah.
I feel like that's how we're acting right now.
Yeah. People in, what is it, Dust Bowl?
What?
The Dust Bowl.
I don't know what a Dust Bowl is.
Or, what is it? Kansas.
Chicago? Chicago's the Windy City.
Yeah, no, but
I mean,
like
we've got, like, traffic lights in the middle of the streets, like, falling off of...
Yeah, I was on my own from
wires
work,
and
and I
stuff.
couldn't even see the color of the light because the light was, like, swaying vertical.
That's so scary.
It's crazy.
Well...
Cars are falling on trees today.
No.
No, it wasn't that windy.
Trees were falling
Trees
on
were
cars.
falling on cars.
Yeah, it's scary.
Yeah.
But, I mean, the kids had a ton of fun tonight. And they're sleeping. And they're, I mean, it's pretty warm in here. We got the fire going. I'm surprised how warm we are. I think the worst case scenario for us is that we're going to lose some food from the fridge.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you guys enjoyed our dark vlog.
You get tired a lot quicker when there's no lights.
I probably could have gone to bed at 7.
I mean, this should be like a normal thing. We should do this.
Yeah.
When I found out that the power was out, I honestly was excited.
He came home smiling.
I made a big deal out of it for
Yeah.
the kids too. Like, got
Yeah.
them all excited. Like, you know, we're gonna light all the
Yeah.
candles and
Well,
play
you don't want them to
games
be
and read
scared.
books. Well, there's nothing to be scared about. Honestly, it's like
Just a tree falling on the house.
it's a nice break
Yeah.
from all the distractions.
Yeah. It was
You know,
different.
from the TV and from everything else. Just like spend some time, get
It
the
was nice.
candles going, fire going. So.
Well, it's Thursday morning and the power is back on, but our internet is still out. So I don't know if you're seeing this vlog until Friday, but we're doing our best to get it up for you. And I hope that you all stayed warm and cozy. And if you were in any of this windstorm, I hope you didn't have any damage. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.